Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to increase your microphone volume in OBS Studio so your voice sounds louder and clearer during recordings and live streams. If your mic sounds too quiet even with the volume slider turned up, don't worry. I will show you the easiest way to boost it without installing any extra software. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the audio mixer, find your microphone. Make sure the microphone volume slider is turned all the way up. If your microphone is still too quiet, click the down arrow next to your microphone. Then select Filters. In the Filters window, click the plus button under Effect Filters. Choose Compressor. Then click OK. Now look for output gain. This setting lets you boost your microphone volume after compression. Start by increasing the output gain to around 6 dB. Speak into your microphone and watch the audio meter. If it's still too quiet, try 8 dB or 10 dB. Avoid increasing it too much, as your microphone may start clipping or sounding distorted. Once you are happy with the volume, click close. Now test your microphone again. Speak normally and watch the audio mixer. Your microphone level should be noticeably louder than before. If your voice still isn't loud enough, you can also increase your microphone volume in the Windows sound settings before boosting it again in OBS Studio. This usually gives you the best overall audio quality. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to increase your microphone volume in OBS Studio using the built-in compressor filter and output gain. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.